Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming the red loss light on your Globe modem. That indicates signal loss. Once confirmed, gather model info, account details, and note any recent outages. Begin immediately with a controlled power cycle. Unplug the modem for 30 seconds, wait 60 seconds to clear capacitors, then plug it back in. While it reboots, watch the LED sequence. This step forces the device to renegotiate the line and can clear transient faults before deeper troubleshooting. Now inspect physical connections, because loose or damaged cabling often causes loss. Make sure coax or fiber connectors are tight and free of corrosion, and that cables aren't bent or pinched. Remove any unnecessary splitters or adapters and test directly at the wall outlet. Log into the modem's status page to record SNR and RX/TX signal levels. These numbers tell you if the line is weak or noise limited. Once done, replace suspect cables and recheck the loss light to see if connections and signal checks don't restore service. Perform a factory reset to clear firmware or config faults, but export any custom settings first. Once reset, retry provisioning and recheck the loss light. If the red light persists, contact Globe support immediately and provide your signal logs and action steps. They may push provisioning or schedule a technician. As a fallback, enable mobile hotspot or use a backup router while the ISP resolves the line. This keeps you online during repair.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.